Optimized workforce scheduling. Creating business value for your service organization. This demonstration shows how SAP software allows you to monitor performance, manage cost of service, provide the right service at the right time, increase field service utilization, and operate at maximum efficiency, enabling you to provide superior customer service, reduce costs, and increase productivity. Monitor performance. Mary Reynolds is the Vice President of Service for Grange Equipment, an industrial services organization. Mary opens the SAP Workforce Scheduling and Optimization application by Qlik Software. She looks at a productivity dashboard to see if the company's technicians are meeting travel time and mileage parameters. She notices the distance per service call is high and checks whether the distance is affecting response time. The response time is okay, but the number of assignments is high. Fortunately, service level agreements are still being met. But meeting service level agreements when service call volume is high can lead to increased cost. Mary sees that both operational cost and labor cost are escalated. She thinks these problems may have been caused by poor planning, which can also lead to high overtime pay or costly last-minute contractors. Mary will schedule meetings with regional management to address these issues. Manage cost of service. Brett Clark is Grange Equipment's regional manager for the Southeast. Brett wants to create his monthly forecast for the Atlanta Service Center. A single click lets him apply a forecast method to create his baseline, where he can specify the time frame and job measures. Brett checks his plan against forecasted demand and sees he needs to schedule more technicians. With integration into SAP ERP Human Capital Management, Brett can click each technician's name and see availability and competencies. Brett uses the automatic allocation wizard to specify demand and resource criteria. Brett sees he still needs to schedule more technicians, so he opens the plan tuning wizard. Brett runs 2 what-if scenarios. He finds that the company would generate about $1.36 million in profit by using subcontractors, and only $1.14 million by providing training. After securing approval to use subcontractors, Brett submits his plan to the scheduling system. Provide the right service at the right time. Lisa Gomez, a customer service agent with Grange Equipment, receives an emergency call from a customer who needs a heater repaired. SAP CRM populates the customer's information on Lisa's screen based on the caller's phone number. Lisa confirms she is speaking with John Taylor. Lisa sees a list of installed products, including the heater, so she creates a service order. As she adds details into the order form, the software populates default information like service date and time. Lisa checks and finds the heater and spare parts are both under warranty. Next, Lisa reviews the customer's service level agreement before scheduling an appointment. She sees they should respond within 4 to 24 hours. Lisa clicks the Get Appointment button and accesses scheduling functionality, which displays an up-to-date list of available technicians, parts, tools, and appointment times. The earliest appointment time is from 2 to 4 p.m. This works for the customer, so Lisa schedules the appointment and provides a case number and a customer service number. Increase field service utilization. Dan Brown is Grange Equipment's Field Services Manager. Dan uses the software's scheduling functionality to manage his workforce. Dan receives a message from Jim Clifton, a technician who is sick and must leave early. Dan creates a non-availability form for Jim, which triggers the software to automatically reassign Jim's work to other qualified and available technicians. Dan sends each technician a message about the schedule change. Later, Dan receives an emergency appointment notice. Dan clicks on the task to find a technician with the right skills, availability, and real-time proximity based on GPS coordinates. He assigns Tom Wilhouse, who is closest to the appointment location. Dan sends a message to Tom on his mobile device, letting him know he will be responsible for the emergency call. Operate at maximum efficiency. Tom Wilhouse is about to finish his service call. Tom uses his mobile device to confirm which parts he used and to capture the customer's signature. He creates an invoice that's automatically sent to SAP ERP Financials and can be printed for the customer. Tom looks on his mobile device to find the shortest route to his next appointment, and he's on his way. 2 months later, Mary Reynolds checks Grange Equipment's productivity dashboard. She sees that better planning and optimized scheduling have helped to improve operational cost. SAP software helps service organizations provide superior customer service, reduce cost, and increase productivity.